Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram oops and error occurred problem. Alright, so let's say you're using Instagram and you try to do something on Instagram and it says oops and error occurred. So basically if you're facing a problem, it's due to a bug, and basically just closing your Instagram like this and reopening your Instagram over here should fix your problem. But let's say even after doing this it's still not fixed, and make sure to check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, Instagram is not going to be functioning properly, and you try to do some action and it's going to say oops and error occurred. So make sure to check your internet. If it is slow, make sure to switch into a faster internet or a data connection. Alright, after you do that, it should work. If it's still not working, what you can do is delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Now what happens when you delete and reinstall your Instagram is, if there's any bug which is causing this problem, deleting your Instagram is going to delete the bug. And once you reinstall the Instagram, when you're installing Instagram, you're going to be installing the updated version of Instagram, which means you updated your Instagram as well as you deleted the bug and you restored your Instagram again. The only problem is you need to relog in into your Instagram account when you reinstall it, but I hope you can do that much. After relogging into your Instagram should be working properly. If it is not working, then what you can do is go to your search engine and search for is Instagram down. After you search for is Instagram down, you can click on the first one, Instagram down detector. Once you click on it, if the chart over here right now, as you guys can see, the spike is below 100. If the spike is below 100, it's good. If the spike is below 150, it's good. If the spikes are above 150, then it means that Instagram is facing some problem. So in my case, only one spike is up, which means it's not a major issue. But if more than 2 or 3 spikes are up, which means Instagram is currently facing a problem right now. So as you guys can see right now, Instagram is pretty much normal under 100, which means it's working properly. So you can also check that if Instagram is down, the only thing you can do to fix it is to wait until they are back again working properly. So you can wait patiently until they're back again. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your Instagram oops and error occurred problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. And you can also report this. You can just click on the 3 bar, go on setting, go on help, go on report a problem, go on report problem without shaking, and write your problem over here, whatever problem you're facing. I try to do this, and Instagram just shows me oops and error occurred, and click on next. If you guys have a screenshot of your problem, you can click on upload to upload it, and I would suggest you to upload a screenshot, because if you upload a screenshot, Instagram will fix the problem a bit fastly. Alright, so try to do that, click on next, it should work. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your Instagram oops and error occurred problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.